Okay, here you need a shampoo, you need a brush, a soft one at that. You also need a brush, a paddle brush. You need any conditioner of your choice. This is what I have at home, so I'm going to use that. Okay, you can use any oil. This is the one I have. You can use any oil. So let's get into it. I was in the middle of doing this one actually, and I like, okay, let me make a video to show how you guys okay. So apply the conditioner. You can use your finger. You can also use a stick spatula. You can use it just to spread it around, spread it on your lace generously. And actually you can, it depends on where the glue is, put it where the bonding glue is. The conditioner is not going to mess up. Now I'm going to gently scrub the lace. Gently, you need to gently scrub. You see that disclaimer right there? The more you mess with your lace, you're going to lose a lot of hair. It's going to shed because you are unknotting the lace with the brush. So you gently scrub the lace. Now this is another option. You can use a baby wipe to also scrub it in case you don't have some of the glue did not come out in the first place. You can use a baby wipe to scrub off the excess. I'm just showing this as an other option. You might not use it and you might need it, so it depends on you. Now I'm going through the lace from the top of it, and see, I'm using my brush to gently and firmly scrub. You see, I applied the conditioner because I noticed some are there. Now I'm scrubbing to remove excess glue from the top of the lace. So you do that if you find out that there are some there. Oh, you see that? It's coming off so easy. So the front part is coming. The front part is coming. Now let's see. The oil, you drop some oil on the lace. In this case, I'm going to put it just on the lace because that is where the glue is. The reason why is to soften the glue. So you let it sit for a while, and when after applying it, you let the oil sit on the lace for a while. Now it's time to wash. Take a small amount of shampoo, and the reason why you're using a shampoo is because we want to wash the oil off the lace. I actually used too much shampoo in this video because I was recording and this was a mistake. In your case, do not use as much shampoo as I use in this video. This is a mistake, so use less shampoo. The shampoo is for you to wash off the oil from the lace, okay? So don't make that mistake like I did. Gently scrub the shampoo on your lace. Be careful. And now you wash it out with water that is from the tap. No hot water. This is just a regular temperature water, no hot water in this case. So you are going to actually wash the shampoo out from the lace. Now you apply the conditioner to your hair. In this case, I'm going to apply conditioner to the whole unit, to the whole wig. The reason why I did not shampoo the hair is because the wig was installed in less than 2 weeks and it was washed prior to the installation. So I'm not going to wash the whole unit. I'm washing just the lace, and I'm applying conditioner to the whole unit. So if you've worn your home for quite a while, you can just shampoo it. Now I'm washing off the conditioner off the wig, and you can clean it as much as you want. Yeah, wash it very well, and make sure there's all the product you use, the shampoo, the oil, the conditioner is coming out of the wig. You repeat this process to your own taste. I rinsed the wig a couple of times in this video, just to make sure the wig is clean. Okay, and there is always residue in the hair. Don't be alarmed. Don't be alarm. Don't be alarmed. The residue is going to come off when you brush the lace with your paddle brush. So that is what I'm trying to look for. You see those residue? Don't be alarmed. They're going to come off when it's dry, or maybe when you're brushing the hair with your brush. So you see that? How clean is that? Come on, look at it. No glue at all. Everything is perfect. Look at that. You see you see the shedding? It's because of the way I brush it. So you need to be gentle so that you don't lose it. Oh my God, you see this? You see how clean it is? Look at the lace. Oh, I wish I had it before. And look at that. Now, hair dry and enjoy your new wig.